Hello. In the last video I made, we talked about count and non-count nouns. We talked about count nouns like oranges. I have 2 oranges. And we talked about bananas. I have 3 bananas. And we talked about non-count nouns like water and rice. But last night in my class, we were discussing this and some ideas came up that were more difficult to deal with. And I want to devote this video to those ideas. The first one is the idea of categories. So these are groups that have something similar, and the category has a name. So for example, oranges and bananas are both examples of fruit. So fruit is a category. When we talk about this, we say, I have 2 oranges, I have 3 bananas, or I could say, I have some fruit. I don't make fruit plural, so categories are not plural. Another example would be mail. So today I got 2 picture postcards. I got 2 letters, and I got 1 package in the mail. So I can talk about 2 letters, 2 postcards, 1 package, but all of that is in the category of mail. So I would say, I got mail today, or I got some mail today. I would not make mail plural. Another example would be luggage. So things like suitcases, garment bags, backpacks. If my wife and I go on vacation, maybe we have 3 suitcases, we have 2 backpacks, and 1 garment bag. I would say I have some luggage. I wouldn't make luggage plural, because that's the name of a category, luggage. Now, how do you know what these categories are? Like so many things in learning a language, it's just learning, memorization. I'll put a link to a document in the show notes and you can study it. Another example that we talked about in class last night was information. Information is a category. It could be emails, it could be questions and answers, it could be announcements. So maybe at your school, the principal makes 3 announcements in the morning about a dance, about early dismissal, and about having a hallway pass. That would be 3 announcements. Maybe you open up your email and you have 12 new emails. What was the other one? Questions and answers. Maybe you take a test and there are 12 questions that you have to answer, all right? But all of this is information. So I wouldn't say informations, I would say that's a lot of information. Another idea that confuses some students are what's called abstractions. These are thoughts, feelings, and concepts, things we can't touch, like happiness. It's a concept. You can't really count happiness. Knowledge. You can't count knowledge. You can say you know many things, but knowledge itself is non-countable. Another example would be patience. Okay, someone who has a little child at home needs to have a lot of patience. We wouldn't make it plural though. Another example would be health. That's something that we all have. We can have good health, we can have bad health, but we never make it plural. It's always singular. So these ideas, these concepts, these feelings, we always keep singular. And I'll put notes about that in the link below as well. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.